As the circular textile economy gains momentum, Hiblatech is turning agricultural waste into high-value piña-based materials. And investors are watching how that vision translates into real profits, scalable growth, and long-term impact. With us for more is the co-founder of Hiblatech, Trina Sabarre. Good seeing you, Trina, and welcome to the program.
Good morning and welcome. Thank you for inviting me, Kathy.
So you're working with a cultural heirloom here, the piña fabric,
Yes,
which
correct.
we very well know. But how exactly? Because it goes beyond the ornamentation that we have in ceremonial garment.
Yes, correct. The pineapple fiber, or piña as we know it, is very familiar to us through the traditional wear, which is barong, Tagalog, right? But what we have right now is actually beyond the barong Tagalog. Our process is different from the traditional handloom weaving. So it's the same fiber extracted from the pineapple leaves, but our process is a little bit more different. It's non-woven. Therefore, the non-woven, and we do have woven as well, but non-woven because...
And that's how it looks like, the one on screen.
Yes, that is the fiber, the raw fiber. Mm-hmm. But what you will see as the non-woven is this material, actually.
That kind of material there, really up close.
Yeah, that's the woven fiber. The non-woven is more like wool felt. This one,
right,
on screen. That's the one.
So exactly what is the end product then that you're wanting to achieve? If it's non-garment, what are the applications, industrial design, and for which uses?
Yes, so it can be used for garments, but largely now you can use it in home furnishings. Lamps, as you can see on screen. It can also be used for object making, little pieces. It's structural, see? So it's best fit in home, in maybe later on wall covers. You can also use it as art. As you can see how and there are structural materials like a brooch. Mm-hmm. But it can also be used in fashion, but maybe as a coat, more structural rather than the woven fabric that you see us wearing today. So right. We're also used it for wall panels like that. It was also converted into a speaker, and that is the material that's apparel.
Right, so it's a full range of uses beyond wearing the garment. What impact does it have in margins? I mean, do you get a lot of margins here, or maybe a lot more spending goes into innovating that piña fabric?
So it is good enough margins for us, we think, to make it profitable. But a lot of the cost really lies in the extraction. It's still semi-manual, so you still see farmers manually extracting it. There is an extraction machine, but it's still manually done. So a lot of costs really lie there. And the fact that we don't want to pay low value to farmers, we want to be able to pay them fair value, which is why we want to keep our prices slightly more premium than traditional textile. Because of the way that it's manufactured and so that we can also give back to the farmers as well.
Right, you're one half of Hiblatech because you've got your co-founder and her name is... Christine Bañez.
Yes.
And she did say that she aims to position Hibla Felt as a competitive and sustainable textile within a global materials landscape. So what is the timeline for that, given the challenge of having to support communities, the farmer communities, and give them more than at cost, and also make some profit for yourself and make it sustainable?
Yeah, so right now our market, we are currently in the Philippines, so we're early stage. So we're in the Philippines because the raw material sits here and our supply chain is here. So we are partnered with a textile manufacturer, Filipino textile manufacturer. So this is where we want to pilot. So we see that that is our short-term goal. So we want to deepen our relationships with the value chain, with our current designers. But we do see that within maybe the middle of the year until the end of the year to start going out of the Philippines. We do have an invitation to join Future Fibers Expo in Brussels in June. This is a sustainable textile trade show. And that is an indication for us to see that there is a lot of excitement in the material. it's quite new. No one has seen this kind of material out of pineapple fiber, out of natural fiber.
Well, all the best then. I mean,
Yeah.
that's a full year of preparations.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Tina Sabarre joining us there on Sustainable Hiblatech.